If you want to delete cookies for just one website in Chrome without clearing everything else, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. This is really useful when a site is acting strange, not loading correctly, or keeping you signed in when you want to start fresh. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and visit the specific website where you want to clear the cookies. Make sure you are on the exact site you want to reset, because the steps we're about to do apply to that one website only. Once the page is loaded, look at the far left side of the website address in the top bar. You'll see a Site Settings icon there. Depending on the site, it may look like two sliders or a small padlock icon. Click that icon to open the Site Information menu. From the menu that appears, click Cookies and Site Data. This is where Chrome stores the cookie and site permission details for that website. Next, click Manage Cookies and Site Data. This will open a detailed list of cookies stored by that site, so you can remove only the ones connected to it. Now look for the trash can icon next to the website's name. Click that trash icon to delete the cookies for that site. This removes the stored site data without affecting cookies from other websites. After that, click Done to close the window. To make sure the site reloads with a fresh session, refresh the page. You can do that by pressing the refresh button or using your keyboard shortcut. And that's it. You've now deleted cookies for a single site in Chrome, which is a fast way to fix login issues, loading problems, or weird website behavior without wiping your whole browser history or data. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, tips, and step-by-step Chrome guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.